Everyone sees soybeans as just another crop, but almost no one realizes the massive system hidden behind these tiny seeds. They look simple, just small beans used in everyday food. But what if I told you that in 2023 alone, American farmers produce an unbelievable 249 billion pounds? That's not just farming, that's industrial scale precision. Welcome back to Machines Visit Today. We're stepping into the heart of the Midwest, the soybean capital of the United States, where endless golden fields stretch beyond the horizon and power one of the most valuable agricultural industries in the world. But here's the twist. Producing soybeans at this scale isn't just about planting and harvesting. It's a race against time, weather, and efficiency. This region alone produces nearly 70% of the country's soybeans, contributing to over $50 billion in economic value every year. And when harvest season arrives, everything changes. Farmers move fast, preparing their machines for the most critical moment of a year. Because once the fields are ready, there's no room for delay. This is where technology takes over. Massive combine harvesters, built by leading manufacturers, move across the fields at calculated speeds, cutting soybean plants with razor-sharp precision right at the base. One mistake, and thousands of pounds can be lost. The plants are instantly pulled into the machine, where an intense process begins. Inside, powerful threshing drums and air systems separate beans from stems and leaves in seconds. It's controlled chaos, fast, loud, and incredibly precise. The beans are then cleaned, filtered, and stored in massive onboard tanks that can hold up to 20,000 pounds. Meanwhile, the leftover plant material is returned to the soil, quietly restoring nutrients for the next cycle. It's efficiency at its highest level. And here's where things get even more intense. When the tank fills up, the machine doesn't stop. Instead, it unloads soybeans into moving trucks beside it, allowing harvesting to continue nonstop. It's a perfectly synchronized operation where timing is everything. And the scale is almost unbelievable. Each harvester can process tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of pounds per hour, meaning a single machine can harvest nearly 2 million pounds in just one day. What once took weeks now happens in days. But the journey doesn't end in the field. In fact, that's just the beginning. After harvesting, soybeans are transported to massive storage silos, structures so large they can hold hundreds of millions of pounds. But here's the critical part. If storage conditions are wrong, everything is lost. Moisture levels must be kept below strict limits. Temperatures must be controlled precisely. Because even a small mistake can lead to mold, spoilage, and massive financial loss. And then comes distribution. Nearly half of the soybeans are shipped through major ports, traveling across the world to international markets. Billions of pounds moving across oceans, feeding industries and economies. But here's where things get even more fascinating. Soybeans don't just stay as beans, they transform. Inside processing plants, they become products people use every day. Take soy milk, for example. It begins with careful cleaning and soaking, softening the beans before they are ground into a fine mixture. The fiber is separated, leaving behind a smooth liquid that is then cooked at high temperatures to remove harmful compounds and enhance flavor. But the process doesn't stop there. Ingredients are added, and the mixture is passed through high-pressure systems to create a perfectly smooth texture. Then comes ultra-high temperature sterilization, intense heat applied for just seconds to eliminate bacteria while preserving nutrition. It's science working at full speed. Finally, the soy milk is packaged using automated systems capable of producing thousands of gallons per hour. But soybeans don't stop at milk. They also become tofu, one of the most versatile plant-based foods in the world. The process begins similarly, but here's the twist. Coagulants are added to transform liquid soy milk into soft curds. These curds are then pressed into solid blocks, with pressure levels determining whether the tofu is soft or firm. It's a delicate balance between science and tradition. And then there's soybean oil, another massive industry. Beans are crushed, pressed, and refined through multiple stages to remove impurities, creating the golden oil used in kitchens worldwide. And when you step back and see the entire journey, from endless fields to high-tech factories, you realize something powerful. Soybeans aren't just a crop. They're a system driven by precision, innovation, and global demand. So the next time you drink soy milk, eat tofu, or cook with soybean oil, remember, Behind that simple product lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined, and just when you think soybeans have revealed everything, their story expands into something even bigger. Because beyond oil and food, soybeans quietly power an entire hidden industry. After extraction, what remains isn't waste. It's one of the most valuable resources in agriculture. Nearly 78% of all soybeans are transformed into animal feed, fueling livestock, poultry, and aquaculture around the world. But here's the twist. Even after the oil is removed, this leftover meal is still packed with protein, powerful enough to accelerate animal growth and directly influence the quality of meat, eggs, and milk. It's not just farming anymore. It's a global system feeding billions. And this entire cycle begins long before harvest. In early spring, farmers prepare the soil with precision, monitoring weather patterns and adjusting planting strategies to secure maximum yield. What looks simple is actually a calculated process. Seeds are treated, spaced perfectly using advanced drills, and protected from pests and disease. Throughout the growing season, every detail is controlled: water levels, nutrients, and crop health. But here's the controversy: modern farming is evolving. Many farmers are now abandoning traditional plowing for no-till methods, reducing soil damage and preserving ecosystems. Combined with crop rotation, switching between soybeans and corn, this approach protects soil fertility while maximizing productivity. It's efficiency meeting sustainability. And just when you think the soybean story ends there, another crop takes the spotlight: corn, and its journey is just as intense. Every year, American farmers produce billions of pounds of sweet corn, a crop that seems simple but hides a highly engineered system behind it. It takes 60 to 100 days of constant care before corn reaches the perfect stage of ripeness. And when that moment arrives, everything must happen fast. Harvesting at this scale is a race against time. High-tech machines move across massive fields, cutting stalks with razor precision and separating corn cobs instantly. It's a seamless flow: cutting, collecting, and transferring, all happening in seconds. Trucks move alongside harvesters, receiving cobs in real time without stopping the operation. It's synchronized perfection. But here's the twist: some machines work independently, storing corn on onboard bins, unloading only when full. This flexibility allows harvesting even in challenging conditions. And despite all this technology, in some areas, farmers still harvest by hand, carefully picking each cob, placing it onto conveyor systems, ensuring maximum quality. It's a blend of tradition and innovation. But the pressure doesn't end in the field. Once harvested, corn must be processed immediately. Inside factories, the transformation begins. Husking machines strip away outer layers. Cleaning systems remove impurities, and every ear is inspected for quality. Only the best move forward. Some are packaged fresh, sealed, and shipped worldwide. Others take a different path, processed into canned corn. Kernels are carefully separated, washed, and briefly boiled to preserve flavor and freshness. Every step is controlled. Every second matters. And when you step back and see the entire journey, from soybean fields feeding global systems to corn transformed into everyday products, you realize something powerful. These crops aren't just food. They are the backbone of a massive, high-speed system driven by precision, innovation, and global demand. So the next time you drink soy milk, eat tofu, or enjoy sweet corn, remember, behind that simple taste lies a process far more intense than you ever imagined. And just when you think the process is complete, this is where precision reaches its peak. After blanching, the corn faces a critical moment: rapid cooling. Using advanced hydrocooling systems, the kernels are instantly exposed to cold water or chill mist, stopping the cooking process in seconds. It may look simple, but this sudden temperature drop is everything. Without it, the kernels lose their crisp texture, their vibrant color fades, and their quality drops instantly. This step silently protects both taste and safety, slowing down enzymes and blocking bacterial growth before it even begins. But the pressure doesn't stop there. The corn is quickly transferred into sterilized cans, where timing and cleanliness must be flawless. Each can is filled with precision, either salt water or syrup, depending on the final product. Then comes one of the most intense stages: high-temperature sterilization. This isn't just heating, it's survival. Every harmful microorganism must be eliminated without destroying the natural sweetness and nutrients of the corn. One mistake here, and entire batches are lost. Once sealed, labeled, and packed, these can begin their journey across the world, ready to reach millions of homes. But just when you think that's the end, corn takes on another identity: popcorn. And this transformation is explosive, literally. High-quality kernels are selected, heated under extreme conditions until pressure builds inside them. Then suddenly, they burst open. It's a rapid, dramatic change that turns a hard seed into a light, crunchy snack. But even here, precision matters. Temperature, timing, and seasoning must be perfectly balanced. Too much heat, and they burn. Too little, and they don't pop. Afterward, flavors like butter, caramel, or even chili are added, creating the irresistible snack people love. But beyond snacks and canned goods, there's another hidden role of corn: its future. Some of the harvest is reserved not for consumption, but for seeds. And here, the standard become even stricter. Only the healthiest, most perfect cobs are selected. They are carefully processed, cleaned, dried, and sorted with extreme precision. Every kernel must be intact. Every seed must be viable. Because this isn't just corn, it's the next generation. These seeds are treated to protect them from pests and disease, then stored under carefully controlled conditions until planting season begins again. And when that moment arrives, farmers prepare the land with modern machinery, planting seeds at exact depths and spacing. Automated irrigation systems deliver the perfect amount of water, while advanced spraying technologies protect the growing plants without damaging yields. It's a continuous cycle, technology and human skill working together. And when you step back and see the full journey, from fields to factories to future crops, you realize something powerful. This isn't just agriculture. It's a highly controlled system of timing, precision, and innovation feeding the world. So the next time you enjoy sweet corn, popcorn, or any corn-based product, remember, behind that simple taste lies a process far more complex and intense than you ever imagined. And if this journey changed the way you see it, don't forget to subscribe, and stay with us, because there's always more happening behind the scenes than you think.